All right, just one more example, if you guys care. So I'll prove this identity. Got to decide which side to work on. They both kind of look the same as far as the number of terms and, you know, the single fraction and stuff. But the one on the right side looks like you could do more with it because, you know, you can write the tangent and secant is sine over cosine. So again, right-hand side, tangent squared theta over secant theta minus 1. I'm going to write this as sine squared over cosine squared. Tangent is sine over cosine, so tangent squared is sine squared over cosine squared. 1 over cosine theta minus 1 over 1. So this is just fractions. I mean, if you can take 1/3 over 1/4 minus 3, if you can simplify this, you can simplify this. It's the exact same procedure, it's just you do it with trig instead of integers, right? So I'm going to take the top fraction multiplied by the reciprocal of the bottom, but I need to get this into a single fraction before I can take the reciprocal. So one more step. I'm going to write this, I'm going to multiply by cosine over cosine here. That is 1 minus cosine over cosine theta. Big fraction bar there. Now let's take the top fraction, multiplied by the reciprocal of the bottom. So 1 cosine cancels, so I have sine squared theta over cosine theta, 1 minus cosine theta. All right, so hopefully you guys are starting to get used to looking, you know, this sine squared right here could be written as 1 minus cosine squared. And hopefully you can see why you'd want to do that, because if you look at your original, look at the original has got a 1 plus cosine up top and a 1 minus cosine in the bottom. You know, so 1 minus cosine squared is going to factor into those, so I guess that's just what you need to do. Factor this. That is 1 plus cosine theta, 1 minus cosine theta, all over cosine theta, 1 minus cosine theta. Cancel these. Just to let you guys know, I don't like to cancel and mess up my proof. I want visually to be able to follow it, you know, without lines through everything. Final answer, 1 over cosine, 1 plus cosine over cosine, and that is my proof. I started with the right side. And I showed that it's equal to that, which is equal to that. Good luck.